Welcome back to AK Cars Reviews. Today we're diving into one of the most astonishing hypercars of the future, the 2026 Ferrari F80. This is the car that pushes Ferrari into a completely new era of design, performance, and hybrid engineering. It's not just a car, it's a statement of what happens when Formula One technology meets next-generation Italian craftsmanship. So let's take a deep, detailed look at the exterior, interior, performance, price of this masterpiece. Starting with the exterior, the Ferrari F80 brings an entirely new design language that is sharper, sleeker, and more futuristic than any previous Ferrari model. The front end is extremely aerodynamic, sculpted with aggressive air channels that guide airflow directly into the cooling system. The headlights are razor-thin laser units that sit seamlessly inside the carbon fiber bodywork. The entire car has been designed around downforce and stability, taking heavy inspiration from Ferrari's cutting-edge F1 aerodynamics. The hood dips sharply with angular lines and active air vents that adjust automatically depending on speed and temperature. Along the sides, you'll see deep sculpted tunnels, giving the F80 a floating, jet-inspired profile. These aren't just for looks. They're engineered to create maximum airflow and reduce turbulence at high speeds. The doors open in a butterfly style, elevating the car's supercar drama every time you get in or out. The wheels are lightweight, forged alloys wrapped in ultra-low profile, high-performance tires, designed to withstand extreme track forces while keeping the car as light as possible. Moving to the rear, the F80 becomes even more dramatic with a split-wing setup that actively moves during different driving modes. The taillights stretch across the back in a thin LED strip, and the diffuser is massive, probably one of the largest Ferrari has ever put on a road car. Overall, the exterior is a perfect mix of aggression, elegance, and aerodynamic engineering. Now stepping into the interior, the 2026 Ferrari F80 continues to push boundaries with a cockpit-style layout inspired by fighter jets. The seats are ultralight carbon fiber, buckets wrapped in Alcantara and premium leather, offering maximum support during extreme driving. The steering wheel is a work of art, packed with integrated controls including drive modes, suspension settings, and even small touch panels for quicker adjustments. Ferrari has reduced physical buttons, replacing them with a curved OLED digital dashboard that wraps around the driver, giving a fully immersive driving experience. The infotainment system is futuristic but simple to use, featuring a floating touchscreen in the center with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, telemetry, and track data. Even the passenger gets a small display to monitor performance stats, speed, and media. The cabin uses a blend of carbon fiber, Alcantara, brushed metal, and LED ambient lighting for a luxurious yet race-ready feel. Despite being a hypercar, Ferrari has worked on sound insulation and comfort improvements. But make no mistake, this cabin is built to make you feel like you're sitting in a high-performance machine. Everything is driver-focused, precise, and engineered for the ultimate driving experience. Now let's talk about the heart of the beast, the performance. The 2026 Ferrari F80 is expected to feature a hybrid twin-turbo V8 paired with electric motors, producing a combined power output of around 1,200 horsepower. This makes it one of the most powerful Ferraris ever created. With this insane power, the F80 is projected to go from 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.1 seconds, reaching a top speed of nearly 400 km/h. Ferrari's hybrid system is not just for extra power but also for instant electric torque, giving the car explosive acceleration the moment you hit the throttle. The F80 uses an advanced all-wheel drive system with torque vectoring, allowing each wheel to receive optimal power depending on the driving situation. The suspension is magnetic adaptive, automatically adjusting to road conditions, and the braking system uses carbon ceramic rotors that provide extreme stopping power even at track speeds. The handling is razor-sharp thanks to Ferrari's updated chassis architecture, lightweight carbon fiber construction, and new stability control software, designed to give the driver an F1-like control experience. Whether you're cruising on highways or pushing the car to its limits on a track, the Ferrari F80 delivers a drive that feels precise, responsive, and extremely powerful. Finally, let's talk about the price. The 2026 Ferrari F80 is expected to start at around $3 million, and that's before customization. With Ferrari's tailor-made program, buyers can raise the price significantly depending on paint choices, interior materials, performance upgrades, and exclusive packages. This is a hypercar built for collectors, enthusiasts, and those who want the absolute best of Ferrari's engineering. It's rare, exclusive, and every unit will likely be sold before production even begins. So this was the detailed review of the 2025 Ferrari F80 car that combines futuristic design, world-class performance, luxurious interior, and groundbreaking technology. If you love high-end hypercars and want more reviews like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing car content only on AK Cars Reviews.